In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add video notes on Instagram. You can simply share a video as Instagram notes. To do this, simply head into your Instagram account. Inside the message section, tap right here to add a note. You can either write, add music, or record a video as notes on Instagram. To record yourself, tap right here on this camera icon. Tap on this button right here to record a video and share it to your notes on Instagram. That's how easy it is to record videos as Instagram notes. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.